Hi guys, so today's video is about changing your front upper arm bushes on your W202 with polyurethane bushes. This company Strongflex is the first company that I know of that offer front polyurethane bushes with W202. As you probably know from my videos, my car is a track car, so this will be quite important for me to get a little bit more feel through the front steering. But here are the bushes. They simply slide in with a sleeve and some nice grease to lubricate them. Look like a very good product. I can't wait to try them out. But I thought we'd talk about how to remove the old bushes. Now, on these top arms, they're notoriously very difficult bush to remove from the vehicle. I don't know if there's any special tools to take them out. I'm not sure of that. But the way I do is I drill holes around the bush, like so. And then I tap the drill and then I pull the centre out. Let me show you how that looks, guys. Okay guys, and once you've drilled out the rubber enough for it to release from the inner tube, just simply twist it with a pair of wire skips until it comes out. There you go. So there's the tube. It's held in watery rubber around the circumference of the bush. You can see in there, but the bush actually isn't that deep. I'll show you when I'm knocking. Now what I do to knock it out is I get a chisel, knock out the bottom bush, and knock out the top bush. It does get very messy, so maybe empty the bush out first, but I'll show you in a minute how I'm going to knock them out. Okay guys, so I just use a hammer and chisel to knock the bush out for the side that I have actually remove the tube from. So I'm going to knock that out with a hammer chisel first, and then turn it around and knock out the other side. Here goes. Okay, so I had to cut out both side bushes to get a good angle to get the chiseling. So you can see now both the tubes are out. I'm now going to get chiseled down there. I don't quite see. Get onto the edge, which is down there, and then chisel it out. So just use a big chisel there, nice big chisel, and get it in the corner so the actual chisel can do its work and get into the corner of the bush. So it looks like coming out. Cheers. Okay, so the old bush is out now. Compared to the new bush, you can see that it's quite a lot longer. It goes all the way into the arm, rather than just halfway in like the old bush does. So there's the arms are completely sort of free now. Because cleaning those out a bit. But yeah, you can see that the new bush is a full length. Obviously, tube is inserted into the bush when it's greased. When you put these in, the instructions say, with obviously all polyurethane bushes, do not grease the outside of the bush that goes and makes for the metal surface. Only grease the pin, the tube goes in the middle of the bush. In the middle of the bush, there's little sort of concaved bits in there where the grease will sit in those holes inside the bush so it can lubricate the arm as it moves. So this is bolted solid to the chassis, and this actually moves with the arm as you go up and over the bumps and so on when you're driving. So there you are guys, the W202 polyurethane bushes. I'm going to insert them into the arm now and see what it looks like with plenty of grease, and see what it looks like guys. But you can see our bushes are not great. They're good, but I don't know how you get those out without drilling out the bush, the internal tube. So I just drilled them out and then tapped out the bush once the hole was open for me to fit the chisel through to punch them out. Okay guys, I'm greasing them up and inserting them into the arm now. Okay, so greasing the bushes. What you want to do is you want to grease inside of the bush first. You want to grease all that you can inside the bush to cover all of the little grooves where the tube will go inside, and then you want to grease the tube itself as well. So I've put the first bush into the arm here. As you can see, I haven't greased the outside at all, just greased the inside. So you put that in, and you want to put a tube in, which I'm going to do next. These are supposed to be quite difficult to put in, so I'll do that with maybe a bit of a tap. Come back in a minute. So first sleeve is in, now it's time for the other side. So let's give it a little tap with a hammer to get it in nicely. Now I'm going to do the other side. That's what it looks like on the other side. A little bit of grease has come through as I put screw through, but I get to leave it there. So don't think the bushes actually kiss. It's only the sleeves that kiss. So now I'm going to put it in this side. Okay, yeah, so as this one side is fitted now, it's like a really nice bush. I think it'd be a massive upgrade over the Mercedes bushes. If you're talking for Lenforder bushes, these are Lenforder arms. I think they're a great bush. I think they're well worth it, easy to fit really. So yeah, perfect. Now I want to go into my lower arms, which are here. I've got to change the bushes out for my lower arms. For my lower arms, I'm using K-Mac bushes, which are from Australia. A great bush, really good, done really well, been on the car quite a few years now, done quite a few track days, but this bush here has actually got 40, so the centre sleeve has come out of that bush. I'll show you that. As you can see, the middle sleeve has come out of the bush, so I'm going to have to replace those. K-Mac is sending me the new updated version of the K-Mac bushes, which will be fitted into my arms. This is a wife from Australia. I'll do a video on those when they come. So watch out for that, guys. But yeah, as I said, strong flex, polyurethane bushes, fantastic kit. I'm going to be getting the rear subframe bushes as well from these guys, and also the anti-roll bar and the rear low arm bushes. Cheers, guys.